Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of this channel. Now in this channel, we will be talking about a lot of upcoming NFT games or play to earn games, but right now we will talk about a game called Rune. Now Rune is a game under Binance Smart Chain and you can play the game using your MetaMask wallet. There are three things that we're going to talk about. Number one, that's what is Rune. Number two, how to earn in Rune. Number three, some future updates or the whiteboard of the game. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we are in the website of Rune. You can go to this website by using the link in the description below. If you use that link, you will get a 20% discount on your first character recruitment, and at the same time, it will help me as a content creator of this game. Now, the first thing you need to click here on this website is the house icon right here. Now, in this house icon, you will be shown with this page. It will ask you to log in using your Binance Smart Chain network, or I personally use MetaMask, and they did mention they have a Polygon network added soon. So let me just go ahead and connect that. There you go. Okay, now I already have a character in this one, so let me go ahead and switch to the other character, or rather account, and show you what it's gonna look like if you're gonna recruit your character. So this is what you're gonna need to click next, and it will ask you what type of character you want. Now before anything else, you do need 0.25 Rune fee for this. So what we're gonna do is click on this double arrow right here. There you go. There we go, and then we click on swap. Now you will be shown with this, and you will be shown that a 0.25 Rune is around 0.071 BNB. Now I do have another tab here that shows the price of Rune, and if we just convert it directly to like USD, so it's around $27, right? So I do suggest, guys, that if you do this conversion right here, you maybe want to add like a little bit, right? A little bit of amount, just for the gas fees, because we all know there's gas fees, and then you can update the price here, by the way, and then once you complete the transaction, you would then get the Rune, and then you go back to the dashboard right here. And then you will go back to set up main character, and there you go. So it will ask you the 0.25 Rune fee, and then you can go ahead and approve the transaction. They do have a button here that says you can purchase the Rune. So you have two options. You go to the one that I told you before, and you can also use this. So you approve the transaction, you click on confirm, right, and then just approve the transaction. The next thing or page that you will be shown is the guild, right? Because it says here create character, join guild, and then choose name. I will not be able to show that to you, but it will be a page that will ask you that. At the same time though, I will go back to my character, and then this is what's gonna show on your dashboard. So you'll see your character, and then you will see your guild. In my case, it's the Destroyers, and then you will see a bunch of runes. You'll also see here your equipment, your armor, your shield. I don't know what this icon is, maybe a magic item, but yeah, about these runes, guys, I'm not gonna really talk about all of them, but just in general, all these runes that you see right here, they are required to craft the items that they call rune words. Now, rune words, these are the items that help you in their staking. Now, staking is where you put your assets in the game, and it will generate money as time goes by. Rune words are there to help you increase the yielding ability of your stake, and there are a lot of stats actually involved in them, which is really pretty cool. Now on the left side here, you can see that they have craft, and then they have rune words, which you can see right? These are the rune words that they have, and at the same time they have transmute. Now under the transmute section, you will see all the runes and you can combine them. There are recipes that's already available in the game, and there are recipes that are hidden in the game. So once you have the rune words, or you were able to craft a rune word, what you can do is you can go to your character, and then you can equip the rune word right here in the inventory section. So you click on that, and then you click on under account, my inventory, and then you would see that my account or my character is actually naked. Now I did not like I'm not like a whale in this game, guys, so I don't have any NFTs equipped in my character, because the reason why I actually went in this game and played it is because of the game, or their play to earn game called Evolution. Now this is gonna be the second part of the video, how to earn in runes. There are two types of earning mechanic in the game, and the first one that we're going to talk about is this, the raids or the farm. Now they have two farms available. They have the farm raid and they have the pool raid. Now on their farm raid, you can see that this is the raids, by the way, are the same as staking. Now I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I'm not really good at this, and by the way, everything that I say here is not financial advice. I'm just giving out information and letting you know that this game actually exists and that you can actually earn from this game. Okay, so you can see that there are different types of rune in this game. Like they have the LUM, there's or liquidity pool, by the way, the LUM BUSD, the Rune BNB, and then you can see the corresponding APR that they have here. And then you can earn LUM because they rotate what kind of runes you can get. I don't know if it's weekly, so I'm not sure about that part. So you can scroll down here and check on their staking part. Okay, now I'm not much of an experienced person under staking, so I'm just gonna show it to you. And under pool raid as well, they do have that. So they have like a hidden pool. I'm sorry guys, I don't have any clue about this, to be honest with you. So you can see as well, they have like APR that's under AMN. If you stake Thule, you stake all these kind of runes as well. So there. Now this is actually, in my opinion, the best part of this video, guys, because this is where the play to earn mechanic is. So if you click on the left side, you can see this like a sun icon, I guess, or light icon, and then you can click on that and you'll be routed to this page called Rune Evolution. Now this game is where you earn. Basically the first thing is you need to click on Asia, or which server you want to, you want to be in. And I've been playing this game for like I think a week already, and you can see that I have earned some runes. Now I will show you the gameplay right after this, but you can see the corresponding amount or value of each rune on the right side. If we are going to calculate that, we have like 7.650 ZOD, where my mouse is pointing at, and each of that is $8.88. If I am going to give you a calculation of that, 7.66, or rather 5 times 8.88, that is around $67. And I have just played this game for like a week, roughly a week. So again guys, this is not financial advice, but this is the earning part of the game. Now let me show you the gameplay and how you can actually earn this. This is the main rune of the game. Now this is the gameplay of the game. There's gonna be a sound, by the way, so just this warning. Oh. There it is. So I'm just gonna mute that, guys. It's pretty bit, I mean it's pretty loud to be honest with you. Now this is the gameplay of the game. Now, I'm not gonna dig deeper on what the gameplays or game modes are, but as you can see, I am a dragon, or in this case, if you become like a third, or you can see those bigger dragons, they call it a drake. And there are different game modes of this game, but the basics would be get these. This is what they call sprites, the little ones, and then you evolve, right? You can become bigger, and once you become bigger, you can eat the other ones that are smaller, right? So that's how you play the game. And you can see on the upper left side of the screen, you can see that the reward for being the first one in the game, or the top one, is 0.165 ZOD. So it's a really competitive game. You can get the reward if you are first place. So that's how the game is right now. So I hope I have enlightened you guys that this game really has a play to earn mechanic, right? Because you did see the gameplay, but I'm not gonna be talking about all the game modes, and I just showed you guys the general gameplay, and how it is. But you do see that I did earn runes in this game, right? And by the way, regarding the stars and the payouts of this game, you would see here it says not sending until 1. So basically you need 1 rune to become like 1 value, like something like 1.1 maybe, in order for that to be eligible for a payout, right? So if it has 2 stars, if it's more than 1, it has 2 stars, it will say sending by end of the week. And if it has three stars, sorry, it will be sending today. Now, right now the payout is delayed though at this moment. Now, once you get the runes that you have, or you get the runes from the game, you can go ahead and go to swap, and then just search the rune and then swap it back to like BNB, and that's how you get the payout from the game. So this is the third part of the video, guys. This is where we talk about the future updates of the game and what to expect from Rune. Now, the best place we can look for that is their white paper and their wiki as well. They have like a wiki. This is where you see almost everything about the game. They have the guilds, races, factions, classes. This game is just insane, man, when it comes to like content and updates and the game. And right here, guys, in their roadmap, you do see that they have Rune Infinite, which is a game, Rune Evolution, which is already a released game right now that I showed you, and they have the Rune Sanctuary. This Rune Infinite game is like a PvP game, like a brawler type of game, and I will show you that later. And Rune Sanctuary game is an MMORPG game that's going to be releasing by next year. So this is where you can see their white paper, guys. You click on documentation, and then here it is. You can go to docs.rune.farm. Under games, you see Rune Evolution, Rune Farm. These are the 2 that I showed you. We have the Rune Words, the NFTs, and the Rune Infinite Arena. So they have a roadmap. You can check on here the roadmap that they have. This is really a solid project in my opinion, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And then we go to Rune Infinite Arena, right? You can actually check this out, guys. Just go ahead and check this out. Do your own research. Rune Infinite Arena is like a brawler PvP that's coming October 2021. That's insane. That's like 2 months from now. You'll be able to enter the Rune Arena with your hero equipped with the powerful weapons and armor, where you battle it out for prizes. Now, what this is actually the rune words. The rune words that we have in the game. Let me just go back. Okay. The rune words that we have in the game right now actually matters in the other games that they're gonna make. Like, for example, like this basic sword right here that's called Nightblade. You can see that it has like tabs you can click, right? And it has different stats for different tabs. It doesn't have a stat for evolution or infinite, but it does show a stat for its sanctuary. And I don't know about you guys, but I am very, very excited for that. That is like one of the biggest things in an MMORPG. Like, imagine, you know, MMORPG, the game is really cool, and then you get to earn from it. Like, you know, what more can you ask for, right, from a game? I'm not really just hyping this up, guys, right? I'm just talking facts here and what I see and what I expect. And again, do your own research. This, all that I'm saying right now is not financial advice. This is my opinion. This is how hype I am in this game. And they have a play to earn mechanics right now, and it's all up to you if you decide to get into Rune or not. So I do hope you learned something about this video, guys, and I was able to relay the information that I wanted to give you about Rune. And if you did, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It will help the channel a lot. And also like this video if you learned something. And once again, please do your own research. All of this is not financial advice. And I might be posting some other videos about Rune, you know, about the gameplay and maybe some things that I have missed. You can also comment that in the description below. I'd be very glad to answer your questions. But this is Jason signing out, and I do hope I see you on the battlefield in Rune Evolution. See ya.